Karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox and do a basic overview of my Smith& Wesson khukri knife. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you like I paid about 33 American dollars for it, and I got it in Nations Gun Show in Virginia. So guys, now let us take it out and have a look at it. Okay. So guys, here it is. Okay. So guys, you can see it comes with this very heavy duty nylon sheath, and it also has a belt loop, so you can hang it on the belt. So let us take it out. So guys, here it is. Now if you see, the overall length of this kukri is about 17 inches, in which about 12 inches is the blade and 5 inches the handle. So the handle material of this kukri is rubberized, so which makes it very comfortable to handle, and it is like anti-slip. Okay, so you can see I took it out of the box, and still you can see the edge of this kukri is very sharp. So guys, the blade material of this knife is made from 400 series stainless steel. Okay, and it is razor sharp as I take it out of the box. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much in this. Okay, so some other features, yeah, it also has this hole, so using which you can thread your paracord or lanyard from it, so you can have another, and you can loop it around your wrist. So guys, that's pretty much in this. Soon we'll be taking it outdoors and we'll do a detailed review of it. So guys, before we end this video, so we will test the edge of this blade. So I have this bill, so let us see whether it cuts it or nah. So guys, you can see it makes a very clean cut, and it is very smooth. Okay, I did not sharp it. This is how it is when you take it out of the box. Okay, one more. Okay, so guys, this is Smith and Wesson kukri knife. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more EDC review, more unboxing videos, and all kind of stuff. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.